Yo, all my L's, they come with a V. Aye, yo, she and I fuck my ex, got on sexy, red in a V. No, she'll get in her feelings if I put in some R&B. If I put in that Gen I was broke thinking about Heathrow. When I take a flight, don't post. Got 444 on her, plus 44 on the contact. So many parties missed. Now I can sip my cognac. Can't talk on me, I don't make more than you and I still try to top that. I find it hard to maneuver, I'm on the M-way chasing dough. My heart can't be on my sleeve unless it comes after chrome. She wanna talk about when I'm at home, I'll let you know when I'm back. Better than who, better than me, gotta be smoking crack. Aye, yo, all my L's, they come with a V. Aye, yo, she and I fuck my...
Alright, what's up vlog? Today I recently bought this Polaroid camera at a thrift store and I'm actually shooting a video for MadeTires today. So we're at a car show, we're gonna try it out. Hopefully the camera works. I haven't tried it at all, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get it.